Next is bolt for the shock, twist, and pop off. The other one on, cut this off. What is going on, guys? So today we are finally putting in our dampening cancellation kit from KW. We've been waiting a little while for it. We got the KW suspension on. As you can see, the car looks nice and clean. Got rid of that wheel gap, but the car doesn't slide. The traction control turns back on after you turn it off because it detects a fault in the system with the suspension. So we're gonna resolve that today with these two different sensors. One's for the front, one's for the rear. We're gonna go ahead, get these installed, get them locked and out of the way. Cool little tool. All right, as you see, this is gonna go right here on the base of the strut. Go ahead and throw a couple zip ties on it. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw this on. The very last zip tie. And these zip ties have little channels for them to go into, so this will not come off. Make sure that you got all these tight. Snip everything off. All right, and that front one is done. All right, you're gonna go ahead and remove this. This is a 10 millimeter. I'm gonna pull this back to reveal where we zip tied it up last time. Pop these out very carefully. As you can see here, the existing sensor, and this is actually longer. So just go ahead and squeeze right here and pull. And then we're gonna have to go ahead and take this off of the car and replace it with a different one. So these side by side, you can see they are just a little bit different. So this one needs to come off, this needs to go on. Malin will show you how to take this apart.
All right, guys, here is the clip from the other side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this white part so that we can push in these two spots right here, and that's gonna release the pins, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. You need a pick tool to do this. The bottom has some clips on it right there. That's what we're dealing with. So basically I'm getting in there and I have to release those two clips from it. Don't want to stab yourself. Just like that. I mean, I just wiggled it out. So now this clip is out. Right here, there's exposed spots of the pins right there. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push these pins in here and here. I just slightly pressed them. At the same time, I'm trying to pull the wires just so slightly. I got one out, you can see it's coming. I need to get this other one depressed good enough. There it goes. I'm gonna pull these out. There they are. Remember the position of them. And the new plug, see the shape difference? This has got this blue square over there and ours is straight across. And you need that to fit into the connector. So I'm gonna keep it the same exact position. I'm gonna slide these pins back in, same holes. I'm not gonna change anything. They're gonna lock in place and you'll hear them kind of clip. All right, guys, so sometimes pins can be pretty fun, but we got this pinned back in properly. This is closed back up. This new one is going to plug right in. There it is. And it locks here. You can depress it and pull it back out. Everything's good. We're checking our wires. They're both in there solid. So we're just gonna pull this stuff back down and that's it. And then Patrick will finish up and show you how to actually install and mount this in the back of the car.
Go ahead and zip tie this to this. And it's firm, it ain't coming out of there. So you're gonna go ahead and remove this bolt. I already loosened it. Then back here, you have this wire. You unclip from right here and right up here. And then unplug this. And then we'll take our new sensor we have here, go ahead, we put on our new plug. We're gonna go ahead and pop her in place, and we're gonna zip tie her up and out of the way back in here. So you're gonna go ahead and get this in the ridges right there. One more, snip these off. Go ahead and twist it around back underneath there, and she looks all nice and pretty. Tighten this guy down.